Hi, welcome to day 3 of the Conscious Living 8-day journey for increased happiness and fulfillment in your life. I'm Meli and this is Emmy. Today you will be enjoying a yoga class focused on cultivating a loving relationship with the most important person in your life, you. Everything starts with you. When you take time to accept, appreciate, and love yourself, you attract more love, you build up more confidence, resilience, and are able to expand all the good things you feel about yourself into challenging any negative feelings or thoughts when they arise. When you make time to nourish your well-being, you're able to give more of yourself and love others more fully. When you take care of yourself, you can become the best version of yourself and take care of others in the best possible way. I know many of you are parents like myself or take care of others in one way or another, so I know that giving of yourself and taking good care of others is important to you. Taking time to accept, appreciate, and love yourself helps you to be on your own side in a more gentle, kind, and loving way. So let's get started. This moment right here, right now, is for you. You are a wonderful human being and you deserve this and more. We'll set our intention for this practice. I love, accept, and appreciate everything about myself. I love, accept, and appreciate everything about myself. We'll start today's practice in a yin style forward fold. Come to sit on your mat. If you'd like, you can place a cushion or pillow underneath you for comfort. Extend the legs out in front and let them simply open naturally. Close your eyes. Deep breath in. Exhale, round forward. Arms are alongside the body, palms facing up. Deep breath in. Exhale, let your head be heavy, your face be soft. Inhale. Exhale, relax your shoulders, arms, and legs. Inhale. Notice if there's any tension in your body. Exhale, release it. Surrender to gravity in this pose. Let gravity do the work here. All you need to do is simply breathe. As we deepen our breath, we continue to relax our body. As we relax our body, we relax our mind. If any thoughts arise, imagine them drifting away in a cloud and simply bring your awareness back to your breath. Find your stillness here. Inhale, slowly rise, and we'll settle into hero pose. Kneeling on your mat, knees come to touch, and feet are hip-width distance apart. Top of your feet are to the earth. Place your hands over your thighs. Close your eyes. We'll set our intention for this practice. I love, accept, and appreciate everything about myself. I love, accept, and appreciate everything about myself. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, bending at the elbows. Open your arms for goddess arms or cactus arms. Lift the chest, lift the heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down, out in front of you. Work your way into a tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. When you're ready, we'll flow through cat-cow. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest, open the heart, look up. Exhale, round through the spine, let your head drop, look back between your legs. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Continue for 3 more breaths, moving at your own pace. We'll come into child's pose. Spread your knees wide, bring your toes to touch behind you. As you exhale, walk the hands out in front and slowly lower down. Coming to rest the forehead on your mat. Surrender to the earth. What else can you let go of here? On your next exhale, walk the hands to the right. You should feel a nice stretch on your left side body. Forehead is resting on the earth. Come back to center. Exhale, walk the hands to the left. Come back to center. Slowly rise to a tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Now sway your hips side to side. Imagine your spine like a snake, creating a figure S shape. Come back to center. On the next inhale, right leg rises. Engage your quad, flex your foot, and draw the heel straight back. Engage your core. When you feel grounded and steady, lift the left arm out in front. Gaze can be down at the earth for balance or just past your fingertips. Keeping the leg up, exhale the arm down. Inhale, bring your right leg to the left, toes to the earth. Exhale, look over your left shoulder. You should feel a nice stretch on the right side body. Inhale the leg back up, exhale it down. Now slowly sway your hips side to side, creating a figure S shape with your spine. Come back to center. Inhale, left leg rises. Engage the quad, flex your foot, heel draws to the back. Engage the core, nice and strong. Inhale, lift the right arm out in front. Deep breaths. Keeping the leg up. On the next exhale, release the arm down. Inhale, bring the leg to the right, toes to the earth. And exhale, look over your right shoulder as we lengthen through the left side body. Inhale the leg up and center. Exhale it down. Now sway your hips side to side. Come back to center. We'll come up for our first downward dog. Curl your toes under. Keeping the knees bent, inhale, lift the hips to the sky. Lengthen from the wrists to the shoulders. Draw the shoulder blades together and reach the tailbone to the sky. Now slowly begin to extend your legs and draw the heels down to the earth. Heels don't have to touch. What's important is to have a nice long spine. Deep breaths. If you'd like to bring some movement, sway your hips side to side, maybe bend one leg and then the other. Create any gentle movements that feel good to you in this moment. Bend the knees and exhale, slowly lower down. Then swing your legs over to one side and come to sit. Knees are bent, soles of the feet are on the earth, hip width distance apart. Inhale, bring your arms out in front. Exhale, slowly lower onto the earth. And we'll come into a reclined butterfly. Bring the soles of your feet together and let the knees drop to the side. Arms can be out to a T, extended up overhead, or if you'd like, you can take goddess arms. Choose what feels good to you in this moment. Now bring the left hand over your heart, right hand on your belly. Notice your chest and belly rising and falling with every breath. See if you can notice your heartbeat. Coming into our final resting pose, Savasana. Extend the legs, let the feet drop to the sides. Bring the arms alongside your body, palms facing up. Feel the earth supporting you. Let every breath relax you even deeper, from your head all the way down to your toes. As you rest, you can silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. Choosing to love, accept, and appreciate myself is a wonderful agreement. When I love myself, I'm able to fully love others, and others are able to fully love me. I am worthy of appreciation, love, and respect. Today, I choose to love myself more than yesterday. My confidence grows when I take care of myself. I feel happy, vibrant, and grateful when I take care of myself. I honor and enjoy the joy that comes through love. I have unconditional love within me that overflows in abundance to those around me. I invite you to place your hands on your heart. Notice how you feel. Know that you can always come back to this feeling when you practice yoga. Take a moment to be grateful that you took this time for yourself, to nourish your well-being, mind, body, and spirit. I'm very grateful that you're here sharing with me this practice. The light within me honors, bows, and loves the light within you. Namaste. Please support free yoga by subscribing. Found this video helpful? Know someone who'd benefit from it? Please share it.